ज्ञान विद्या हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता हो, वसीबत जन बना देना, वतन के वास्ते जीना, वतन के वास्ते मरना, वतन पर जाता चलना, प्रभु हमको सिखा देना, दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता।
India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and wide heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Happy morning, everyone. Today, International News is brought to you by Uday from Grade-IX Sapphire. International News. A more focused card will help deliver better, says Jaishankar. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today's National News is brought to you by Ben Martin from Grade-IX Sapphire. National News. Railway Minister launched Railway app to book tickets. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's state news is brought to you by Ishwar from Grade-IX Sapphire. State news. Telangana CM to launch state-wide distribution from new ration cards on July 14. Mutun Kumar Reddy. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. Today's sports news is brought to you by Europe Shop Grade-IX Sapphire. Sports news. Ravi Shastri's mother recalled that the day which he hit six sixes in an over. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is Harshavardhan from 9th Sapphire. Now I am going to say that life gives us a new lesson for each day, not for learning, but improving our understanding. I repeat once again, life gives us a new lesson each day, not for learning, but to improve our understanding. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today, what is brought by Karen from 9th Sapphire? Word. Tididum. It means the quality of being a bore for a long time. Friends, please spell after me. Tididum. T-E-D-I-U-M. Thank you.
To one and all present here. I am B. Narendra of 9th Sapphire. Brought you GK questions. Question for grade 7. For how many disciplines is the Nobel Prize awarded? I repeat my question. For how many disciplines is the Nobel Prize awarded? No, you did not pick the right answer. And the answer is 6 disciplines. Question for grade 8. Which pair of cities in India is known as the twin cities? I repeat my question. Which pair of the cities in India is known as the twin cities? No, you did not pick the right answer. And the answer is Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Question for grade 9. What is the expansion of IGNOU? I repeat my question. What is the expansion of IGNOU? You did not pick the right answer. And the answer is Indira Gandhi National Open University. Question for grade 10. What is the name of the force that pulls object towards the center of the earth? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is gravitational force. Against which team did VK18 Virat Kohli made his ODI century debut? I repeat my question. Against which team did Virat Kohli make his ODI debut? No, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Sri Lanka. Open question. Which type of drink is prepared by boiling leaves in milk and water? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is tea.
Happy morning to respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Akshita and she is my friend Jadispa. Today we gather to celebrate a pivotal moment in American history, Independence Day. On July 4th, 1776, our founding fathers signed the Declaration of Independence, making the United States freedom from British rule. This document, primarily written by Thomas Jefferson, declared that all men are created equal and endowed with unalienable rights, including life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Remembering our heroes, we honor the bravery dedication of leaders like George Washington, John Adams, and Thomas Jefferson, who fought tirelessly for our freedom. This version, determination, and sacrifices paved the way for the nation we live in today.
The significance of Independence Day. Independence Day is a celebration of our freedom and the values that define us as Americans. It's a time to reflect on the principles of democracy and individual rights that have allowed our nation to grow and thrive. As students, we have responsibilities to uphold these values and contribute positively to our country's continued growth and success.
Unity in diversity. One of the greatest strengths of the United States is diversity. We come from different backgrounds, cultures, and traditions, yet we are united by our shared values and love of our country. This diversity enriches our nation and makes us stronger.
Our responsibilities. As members of the school community, we have a crucial role to play in shaping the future of our nation. Let us commit to being diligent, responsible, and individuals by excelling in our studies, participating in community service, and standing up for justice. We can make a meaningful impact on our society.
Conclusion. India has the United States has robust and multi-phased relationship driven by cooperation in various areas such as defense and security,
Trade and economy,
technology and innovation,
space corruption,
education and culture.
energy and environment.
Thank you for listening. Have a nice day ahead.